As you can see, I have provided everything a child might need. Alright. Okay. As I was saying... Hey! Oh!
Somebody broke that.
Okay. Clearly we need to set some rules. Rule number 1. You will not touch anything.
What about the floor?
Yes, you may touch the floor.
What about the air?
Yes, you may touch the air.
What about this?
Ah! Where did you get that?
Found it.
Okay, rule number 2. You will not bother me while I am working. Rule number 3. You will not cry, or whine, or laugh, or giggle, or sneeze, or burp, or fart. So no annoying sounds. Alright?
Does this count as annoying?
Very.